All right, let's go get this workout in. It's party time. Hey, good morning everyone. As always, I hope you're doing really well. Because I know there's been a little bit of an absence of jump rope videos on my channel this month. Just been busy with this challenge and a few other things, but I'm really looking forward to getting back on making videos very soon. I know I've got a lot of requests for certain jump rope videos, and I'm really looking forward to making those, as well as a lot of others. The list of videos that I want to make just keeps getting longer and longer. It's really a labor of love, and it's been great exchanging comments with like fellow jump ropers. So yeah, a lot of thanks for everyone's support. As you can see, it's 7:18 in the morning. I actually woke up at 6:40, even though I went to bed really late last night. I went to bed around 4 a.m. and I was thinking about staying in bed for another hour. I've got a lot on today. I've got to go to the motor vehicle center this morning, and then after that I got quite a few things to do. So instead of lying in bed for another hour and getting some more sleep, I figured I'd just get up while I was awake, get up, drink some strong coffee, have some water, and then go get a workout in. I'm doing a November challenge, and even though I had worked out just yesterday late afternoon, because I have so much going on today, and I was thinking I might not be able to get the workout in later today, so I thought, why not get the workout in right now rather than staying in bed for an hour. Sure, I might be a little bit tired now, but I know if I don't do this workout, I'm going to regret not doing it. And even when I work out, I'm going to feel so much better afterwards. I'm going to feel energized, and my mind's going to feel really fresh, really sharp. So the extra hour in bed, yeah, it might have been nice, but I would kind of feel bad if I didn't do the workout because I committed to this challenge. And I think when you say you're going to do something, it's good to follow through with it. And rather than worrying about having to do the workout later today, nice to get it done. I don't mean that too much in a negative sense, because I really do enjoy exercise, but I didn't want it to be on my mind and to affect the other things that I have to do today. I like to try to focus on certain things like at a time when I'm doing them, if possible, rather than being distracted with other things that I have going on. And because this challenge, it's been one of my priorities this month, I really want it to get it done. So I'm here at the workout location. I'm in the parking lot. There's no other cars here. It's so quiet. It's a cold morning, but I'm really looking forward to this workout. I'm going to be listening to an interview with former U.S. Navy SEAL David Goggins while I run and do the calisthenics after that. All right, let's go get this workout in. It's party time.